A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Let's learn together.
A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Hope you're all fine at home. Stay safe, stay fine. I hope that all my students will be very good. So we are going to discuss about the first cities, and we are going to discuss about the dresses and the ornaments that the people were wearing at that time in the Mohenjo-daro and in the Harappa cities also. So both men and women wore clothes made of cotton and wool. They were wearing the clothes made up of cotton as well as wool also. So cotton, in which season they will wear cotton clothes? In the summer season, and during the winter season they must be wearing woolen clothes. And we can understand from here. So men wore a garment similar to that of a dhoti. तो मेन क्या पहनते थे गवर्नमेंट लाइक ए धोती लाइक वी आर वेयरिंग नाउ अडेज धोती है ना मेनी बंगाली पीपल from West Bengal. In the West Bengal, they used to wear dhoti, and even I have seen many pandits also wearing dhoti. So people of that time were also wearing a similar cloth, like dhoti. So what women were wearing? Whether the women were also wearing a dhoti? No, my dear students. Women wore a short skirt. Like nowadays a lot of a lot of women used to wear short skirt. So like that, women of earlier days also were wearing short skirt and tied a girdle क्या होता है belt type का एक चीज होता है like a belt, like the men used to wear belt on their trousers, on their pants. So women were wearing a short skirt and they were tying that skirt with a girdle around the waist, है ना, to keep it in place. ताकि वो जो है गडल वो लोग इसलिए पहनती थी कि वो स्कर्ट जो है वो अपनी जगह पे रहे, है ना. It should not the skirt should not be removed with the heavy wind, or it should not change the place. So that's why the women were using a girdle type of thing, like belt type of thing, to around their waist. अपने कमर के चारों तरफ वो लोग बांध के रखती थी, so that उनके स्कर्ट्स जो है अपनी जगह पे रहे. Now they also took a shawl around the shoulder, है ना. शोल्डर पर लोग अपने कंधे पर जो है एक शॉल भी रखा करते थे, है ना. They were using a shawl also to protect themselves. Now women wore necklace, bracelets, बैंगल्स, चूड़ियां, है ना. ब्रेसलेट भी पहनते थे हाथों में, नेकलेस गले में, एंड इयररिंग्स इन द ईयर दे वर वेयरिंग. यू कैन सी बीड्स फ्रॉम हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन, है ना. पीपल वर वेयरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ माला, और यू कैन से नेकलेसेस लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ नेकलेस. Men wore amulets. Now what are these amulets, my dear friends, my dear students? Let me show you amulets, है ना. I was searching before about this one, that girdle, so I got it. So amulet, you can see over here, this type of thing, these are known as amulets, है ना. Over here, if you can see over here, an ornament or a small piece of jewelry thought to give protection against evil. होता है ना कि हम लोग बहुत दफा आपकी मम्मी आपके पापा आपको ला के देते होंगे तावीज टाइप का कोई चीज, बोलते हैं कि हाथ में पहन लो या गले में पहन लो, इट विल प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम एविल, फ्रॉम डेंजर. बीमारी से आप बच जाएंगे, खतरा नहीं होगा आपको, है ना, और भूत भी नहीं पकड़ेंगे आपको, लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. बहुत दफा क्या होता है, पंडित जी हम लोगों को देते हैं, है ना, बाबा लोग देते हैं कि पहन लो बेटा, अच्छे रहोगे, आप बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे, है ना, आपको कोई शैतान से बचाया जाएगा, शैतान से बच जाओगे, लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग. दीज आर नोन एज एम्यूलेट्स, है ना. इसी को हम लोग एम्यूलेट्स बोलते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. So men wore amulets. Men यानी खास करके मेन लोग amulets पहना करते थे. While the poor है ना, जो गरीब लोग, that's why I was saying that there are poor people also. Always there are poor and there are rich people around the world every time. So the poor people were wearing ornaments made of bones, shells, copper. The poor people were wearing ऑर्नामेंट्स, वो लोग भी जो है ज्वेलरी ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते थे, पुअर लोग भी, गरीब लोग भी, बट दोस ऑर्नामेंट्स वर मेड अप ऑफ बोन्स, है ना, हड्डियों का बना होता था, शेल्स का बना होता था. शेल्स आर फाउंड इन द वाटर. एंड कॉपर, और कॉपर तांबे का बना होता था. बट द रिच, लेकिन अमीर लोग क्या पहनते थे? द रिच वॉज वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी मेड ऑफ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर, है ना. गरीब लोग तो बोन्स के बने हुए ज्वेलरी पहनते थे, बट द रिच वन वर यूजिंग द ज्वेलरी मेड अप ऑफ gold and silver. You can see the difference, my dear students, over here. Now let us see what they were doing with the amusement park, amusement. Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to the chapter once again. Welcome to back to the channel also. So we have to discuss about the amusement. That is the fourth chapter that we are carrying on, the first cities, है ना. So we have to go through about the amusement. Amusement का मतलब क्या होता है कि अपने आप को आप खुश रखने के लिए अगर कुछ करते हैं, that is known as amusement. To make you happy, है ना, to enjoy your leisure time, whatever we do. Someone used to watch movie, है ना, someone likes to play game, to make them happy, and someone like to talk to others also, to spend their time to for amusement purposes. So different people have different techniques to amuse themselves in their leisure time, in their free time. So what the Harappan people were doing in their leisure time, in their amusement time, how they were amusing themselves, how they were just using their time to amuse themselves. Let us see. The Harappan people played a game similar to that of chess. So we can say that we have got that particular we have got that particular chess from the Harappan also. We can say, because we can read over here that they were also playing a game similar to that of chess also. They also enjoyed singing as well as dancing. Very good. We also enjoy singing and dancing. The Harappan people were very creative also. Creative means they were having new creations, they were having new ideas, and they were creating a lot of things and new things. So that's why we can call them that they were very, very creative. Let us see. They designed and crafted toys like small clay cart. Small clay cart जैसे toys भी उन्होंने बनाया. Cart, you know, that horse cart, bullock cart, you must have seen. So what they have done, they have designed and crafted that cart with the help of clay, that is the soil, clay soil. With the help of the clay, they have designed for their children so that they can play. Even they have designed rattles, whistles, and dolls also. Whistles bhi hai, dolls bhi hai, rattles bhi hai. So these are the things that they have developed, they have designed for their children, so that their children can play with such toys. Even you can see toys with movable limbs. Movable limbs means arms and legs moving, है ना. Arms and legs were moving with the help of strings. मतलब वो लोग toys में क्या करते थे, तार की मदद से, स्ट्रिंग की मदद से, they were making the toys hands and legs move also, which is really very creative and attractive for the what, for whom, for the children, so that they can feel a lot like very good new things, and they will. So even they developed toys with whistles also, जिससे आवाज निकलता है ना. Like that I have mentioned over here, that they have developed rattles. मतलब वो जो बच्चों के लिए कुछ आवाज करने वाला जो खिलौना बनाया जाता है, यानी जिसको हम लोग कभी कभी झुनझुना भी कहते हैं, जिससे आवाज निकलता है. So they developed that type of particular toys also for their children. So rattles, clay, made of clay, made of clay. All the things were made of clay. Carts, rattles, whistles, and dolls also. Toys with movable limbs also were there. And even they developed whistles shaped like birds. You can see over here. यानी whistles आपको पता होगा, जो हम लोग आवाज निकालने के लिए कुछ बनाते हैं, है ना. So they developed this type of toys also, which were in the shape of the birds, है ना. आप देखेंगे whistle shaped like birds were used by children for playing also. You can see. That is the one of the toy from Mohenjo-daro also. The children of the Harappan cities had a variety of toys to play with. They were having a lot of varieties, है ना? ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही जैसा toys उनको खेलने के लिए मिलता था. There was a lot of different type of toys also. Children could make their own toys. और बच्चे अपने toys खुद से बनाते थे with the help of the wet clay. Nowadays also our child, है ना? You also in your school made a lot of things of clay also for you to amuse yourself. अपने आप को खुश करने के लिए बहुत सारे आप बना सकते हैं चीजों को. Even with the help of the paper nowadays a student can make a lot of things, you know, which can amuse themselves, which they can use to play. There were special toys that could move their arms by means of strings, है ना? Strings वो तार की मदद से वो लोग क्या करते थे, arms और hands को, legs को, toys के hands और legs को move करा देते थे. And even they developed created bulls who could nod their head, जो अपना सर हिला सकता है. Bulls, ऐसे bulls बनाते थे जो अपना सर हिला सकता है with the help of the string. You can see over here in the toy cart image that there are bulls over there, and there are, you can say, there are bulls are just moving the carts also. This all the things are made of clay over here, you can see. Archaeologists have found many toy factories in many towns. और बहुत सारे towns में archaeologists को क्या मिले, बड़े बड़े toy factories मिले हैं, है ना? Where the people were developing or creating toys for the children. So archaeologists have found that. Now we will go through the topic occupations, means what the people of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, what they were doing to earn their livelihood. Let us see. Agriculture was the main occupation. Besides farming के अलावा भी बहुत सारे लोग दूसरा काम भी करते थे. It is not so that everyone was involved in agriculture, everyone was growing crop. It is not so. Many other people were doing other work also. What the other work they were doing? Again, beside farming के अलावा और क्या करते थे वो लोग? The Harappan people followed different occupations. They were spinners. स्पिनर्स यानी कि जो धागे को क्या करते हैं, बुनने के बाद उसको क्या बना देता है, मतलब कॉटन को, वूल को दे विल कन्वर्ट इनटू थ्रेड, है ना? वो सूता बनाने का काम स्पिनर्स जो है, जो हमारे गांधी जी भी क्या करते थे. Even the people were weavers also, है ना? बुनने का, कपड़े बुनने का काम weavers. पॉटर्स भी है, यानी कि पॉट बनाने का काम, जो क्ले से पॉट बना देते हैं. टॉय मेकर्स, है ना? टॉयज बनाने के लिए. इवन जेवलर्स भी थे वहां पर, गोल्ड को यूज करके, बोन को यूज करके दे वर मेकिंग ज्वेलरीज आल्सो. एंड इवन द पीपल वर ट्रेडर्स आल्सो. और किसी का काम क्या होता था कि वो टॉयज को खरीद के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाकर बेचने का काम, है ना? दे वर जस्ट परचेजिंग एंड सेलिंग. दो देयर वर पीपल हु वर इन्वॉल्वड इन ट्रेडिंग आल्सो, यानी बिजनेस भी करते थे, ट्रेडिंग भी करते थे लोग. The art of poetry, है ना, pottery making had reached great height. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि pottery making का जो उनका दायरा था वो बहुत ऊंचा था. Means they were creating a lot of different varieties of toys day by day. यानी रोज नया नया कुछ इन्वेंशन, नया नया टॉयज बनाने का काम, नए नए पॉटरीज, पॉट्स बनाने के काम, डिजाइंस, है ना, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पॉट्स बनाने का काम वो लोग बहुत अच्छे से करते थे. दे वर रियली अचीविंग माइल्स इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस ऑफ पॉटरी मेकिंग. Beautiful reddish glazed poetry, you know, with animal figures and leaf designs has been discovered at the Indus Valley sites. So what type of poetry they were designing? It was red in color, it was glazing, है ना? Glazing यानी कि चमकदार, with animal figures on them, है ना? Having the figures of different type of animals on that particular pots, and even there were designs of leaves also. All these were discovered from the Indus Valley sites, which help us to remind, which are telling us that those people were very creative, and they were creative in pottery making also, because pottery making was just at the great height, at its great heights. People were developing or creating potteries which were very glazing मतलब चमकना, reddish color का, red color का, and having animal figures and leaf designs on them also. Really a very amazing thing that they have designed so much potteries. You can see in the image, my dear students, over here, that a lot of poetries over here you can see. Even they have designed the picture also. A lot of poetries are there. So that was really the thing that they were doing in their time, my dear students.
Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.